Scheduling your Instagram posts ahead of time brings significant advantages for individuals and businesses alike. By organizing your content in advance, you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, which helps build audience trust and recognition. This method also enables you to plan strategically around important dates and trends, freeing up time to focus on other priorities while deepening your connection with followers. When you're ready to schedule a post, access the scheduling feature through Meta Business Suite or a compatible third-party platform. Select your images or videos, write a captivating caption, and include relevant hashtags. Then, choose the optimal date and time for your post to go live, ideally when your audience is most active. Once scheduled, your content will be published automatically, helping you maintain a consistent online presence. Maximize the impact of your scheduled posts by using insights to pinpoint when your audience is most engaged. After your posts go live, monitor their performance with analytics tools to track interactions and refine your strategy. By regularly reviewing and updating your scheduled content, you can ensure it remains relevant and continues to support your long-term engagement goals.